In this example, we're going to look at how different questions on the same topic will provide you with a different type of variable. And by type of variable, I mean the type of measurement, the level of measurement. Okay, we have three questions here on firm level innovation, the type of questions that would be used in questionnaires delivered to firms where they are asked about innovation, specifically whether they've introduced new products or not. Okay, the first question here is, did your firm introduce a new product in the last 3 years? And respondents are given the answer categories yes or no. Okay, so a closed-ended question. Which categorizes the data and doesn't order it in any way, and therefore it's a nominal variable that this question will give you as the researcher. The second question, how many new products did your firm introduce in the last 3 years? And the answer categories here are none, 1 to 3, 4 to 7, and 7 plus. Okay, these answer categories, as you can see, are ordered. Okay, so if somebody says that they have introduced 4 to 7 new products in the last 3 years, we know that they've introduced more products than somebody who has ticked the box for 1 to 3. Okay, so this is an ordinal variable. And then finally, the ratio variable. Okay, so a question that would return a variable that is ratio in nature would be something like this. So how many new products did your firm introduce in the last 3 years? And you can see that the answer category, first of all, it's an open-ended question, and therefore the respondent can fill in the number of products that they have introduced in the last 3 years. Okay, and again, ratio is the most informative. Okay, in that if somebody writes down that they've introduced 4 products in the last 3 years, well, we know that that person has introduced twice as many products as somebody who has answered 2 to that question. Okay. So to recap, the nominal and ordinal questions here, these are closed-ended questions. The ratio one is an open-ended question, giving us the most information. The closed-ended questions, the first one is nominal, so it just categorizes. So it gives us the least information, but it does tell us whether the firm has introduced a new product or not. The ordinal variable then, which is also a closed-ended question, but it gives us more information than the nominal question. So you can see that with these answer categories, respondents are able to say how many within brackets in terms of the number of innovations or the number of new products introduced.